Finally Black Phoenix checking in, man, at the gas station right now. Just got me some coffee and about to get ready to go and do some networking. And I like sitting up at the gas station sometime, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, just to watch people come and go and, do their jobs and get ready to start a day. And it just makes me think about how the system has blinded us to just think that there's only one way to survive. There's only one way to do it. And a lot of people would get mad at you when you try to come up or come to them with a different outlook on life, on how to survive without having to be a part of the system or to be independent and still work, within the system. But to have your freedom, I think that's a big thing that's missing now, because people are just working jobs, man, and just going home with no purpose. It's like no meaning. It's like, it's Friday, I'm gonna go do so and so, and it's right back to this deal, right back to this clock. And this clock, the multi-time that we punch, and we don't even like it. Can't even stand it. But we got to do it because we got mortgages, we got bills to pay, we got people we owe, we got college debt, we got personal debt, you know what I mean? And a lot of people don't know how to get out of it, besides dig themselves in a bigger hole. And that's why I do like watching the homeless, because watching them, some of them didn't have no choice but to be in a situation, but a lot of them don't ask for handouts. They might, hey man, I get some water, help me with a meal, or I'm alright, I'm gonna figure this out. But sometimes you have to just get all the way to your rock bottom in order to get to the top again, and to gain your focus to say, you know what, I didn't need all of this BS around me anyway. All that did was put me in debt. All I needed was this, and that to get to that next level. And that's all we need, man. You just have to come to yourself and just say, you know what, this is all I need to survive. I don't need all that extra stuff that's gonna put me in debt. I just want to live life, enjoy life, see things, see people, be a part of this great nation that we live in. Hold on.